Horror games have gotten insanely popular. Every week, everyone seems to be talking about a brand new horror game, and it looks like they've gotten simpler and simpler. We went from this, looks pretty good, I don't think I can compete with that, to this, to this. Yeah, this could not have taken that long to make. And to prove it, we're gonna be making our very own horror game today. We are taking over the horror game industry, and I'm gonna give myself just 1 hour to do it. This might be a terrible idea. As I press this button, the challenge will officially begin. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. There is a really easy formula that you can apply to all of these games. 1, a colorful monster. This is like the most important part of the game. We need a colorful, iconic, creepy, but kind of cute mascot character. How about Sussy Wussy? That is good. Guys, what is Sussy Wussy? Someone tell me, what is Sussy Wussy supposed to be? I don't know why I came up with that name. That's so dumb. This is such a bad idea. Everyone is saying monkey. All right, I'll make a creepy monkey. Guys, it's okay. We can do it. I'm a pro modeler. Oh yeah, we're making a monkey, all right. I'm gonna be using a website to rig our monster model and give it some animations. Let's give it a chin. Let's give it wrists, knees, elbows. Are these elbows? I guess so. And then his groin. Okay. Make it the simplest rig possible. Please work. He's in game. It's Sussy Wussy. I don't think he's that scary. Okay. What the? Bro, chill. How should he move? He should crawl, right? He's a monkey. Don't monkeys crawl? Oh, a mutant run. Oh, this is perfect. He looks scary. I like this animation. This animation's solid. So let's put it into overdrive. Then we also need an animation for the jump scare. So like, maybe not. This is the jump scare animation. Next, the setting. Let's talk about what I have to start out with. I have this horror game controller that I made for a past project. So this has all of the basics that we need to build a horror game. But I went ahead and paid $5 for this playground asset pack so that we can build Sussy's school grounds. This asset pack will be greatly helpful for us. Get Blender, it isn't hard. Game Dev 9999. What you don't understand is that we have an hour to make a horror game. If I made all of the assets for an entire playground in Blender, that alone would take up triple the time frame that we have. Here's how it looks right now. There's absolutely nothing. Luckily, we have some grass. We have some beautiful grass here. We have a merry-go-round. That's beautiful. All right, we have a playground. Okay, this is actually not bad. We don't have time to test this, but it's pretty good. Next, 3 is gameplay. Let's not even pretend for a second that any of these games put any thought into their gameplay. Let's just go ahead and delete that. We'll just throw in some stupid puzzle or something. That's what they all do. If it works, it works. We need to collect something. We just hide 8 things across the map. Yeah, you have to collect them. What should it be? Bananas? Bananas. Any other ideas? If not, I will go with bananas. Coconuts? Sorry, bro, it's too late. Bananas. Banana bundles. Banana. You have to eat 8 bundles of bananas, guys. It makes so much sense. It's like Slenderman. When you look at the banana, if you press E, I will say you destroy the banana game object, and then I'll add 1 to your banana count. Okay, now I think what will happen is when we look at the banana, it should let you eat the banana. Banana. Press E to eat, and then when you press E, okay, it's working. We did it. Now we just have to hide 8 bananas throughout the map. Where should the bananas be hidden? The seesaw, in the sandbox, 1 on the swing. Gotta go up these stairs and climb up this slide. This weird thing, put 1 here. 8th banana is in the corner of the map. We hid all of the bananas on the map, and we officially have a game. The game is to find the 8 hidden bananas. So now, what we need to do is implement the monster AI. How do we make him chase you? This should be pretty easy. So Sussy has a brain, so it will look at you, and when you get close enough, it plays a jump scare. Okay, perfect. Now let's start the game and see how he looks in game. Oh god, that's terrifying. The final thing we need in our last 10 minutes is what happens when Sussy catches you. There needs to be a jump scare. I had no time to explain at this point, but to create the jump scare, I activate a separate monster model and camera far away from the rest of the scene and set the monster to play the jump scare animation when it's loaded. But it looks very static, so I attach the camera to the monster's hand so that it moves with the animation and carefully position it along with a light source for the right effect. But there was one very important thing left to make this a working game. Once you collect the final banana, I created a highly detailed, beautiful windscreen that is loaded. We failed? What do you mean we failed? I think the game is playable. Let's put it to the test. Oh God. Okay, that's just not scary. There's no audio, there's nothing, it's bad. It's not even scary, it's just funny. Even though we completed the challenge, I feel like our game leaves a lot to be desired. So I decided to come back the next day and make some improvements, and to put our game to the real test, get a professional horror game veteran to play our game and give us a rating. Why do I do this to myself? It's time to get serious, guys. This is Finn, and he has played just about every horror game there is. Just look at this. You have Roblox Piggy, Project Playtime, Roblox Doors, Choo Choo Charles. I don't even know what half of those are. So if there's anyone who can tell us if our game is good, it's going to be Finn. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly polish up the game a bit, and then I'm going to get him to react to our game and tell us what he thinks. First thing we should do, Sussy Wussy needs a bit of a makeover, I would say. I don't want to be mean to him or anything, but just look at him. How do we make him scarier? He needs some sharp, scary teeth. Just look at any other horror game monster. Now, this is scary. We need to revisit the sound design. There's absolutely no sound. That makes no sense. It's stupid. We need the most terrifying monster shriek in the world, and the best way to do that is with my voice. So let's open up Audacity and make some monster sounds. This is definitely not a terrible idea.
Sussy wants a snack.
I'm sorry. Beautiful. I love it. I would not have it any other way. Now, all we need, very simply, is to take this jump scare sound, drag it onto our jump scare. Now watch this. It's so good. It's so good, bro. I think that's done. I think we have officially checked off sound design. Our game is called Sussy School Grounds. So a totally original logo for a totally original game. And with that, our new and improved Sussy School Grounds is complete. Maybe people will subconsciously look at the Poppy Playtime logo and just think this is an amazing game. Just a psychology hack. Let's see what our expert judge thinks of our game. All right, I'm scared. Yo, what's up? Finn, welcome.
I've been told dabbing is not something people do anymore.
Oh yeah, if you dab, I'd probably have to kick you off.
I'll take it right now.
I'll tell you ahead of time, this is probably the greatest horror game you'll ever play in your life. I'll tell you it's probably not a virus.
Windows protects your PC. Don't run this.
It might be a virus, but it's probably not. Maybe. All right, this is Sussy School Grounds, as you saw. You have to run, he's coming for you.
Do I eat these? No. He's right on my back. He's right on.
What do you think of Sussy Wussy?
It's very indie horror game.
Oh yeah.
This is the last run. Can I run up the slide?
Kind of, but then you get to kind of stuck.
No.
Oh, you won though, you won, okay. It's fine, it's fine. The win animation ended before the jump scare animation, so you did it. That's not a bug, that's an intentional feature.
It's not a bug, that's...
I promise. So on these 5 categories, you're gonna rate the game from 0 to 10. Just give me your brutal honesty. Our expert judge, totally unbiased, has given the verdict. We have made the perfect horror game. Guys, this was not rigged. I did not give him any money at all. If you hear any news about like any PayPal transactions, I did not give him any money at all.
Nah.
By the way, I got your PayPal in the Discord.
Yeah. Tomorrow. By tomorrow.